Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Monster. Thanks for tuning back in. So, a lot of you guys are going to be receiving this packaging for the 16-piece set Chasing Ambient lighting kit that's trending all over the world because obviously I got the best quality, the best price, half the price off the other companies, honestly. And yeah, I also got more in this package. So, more than what somebody else was going to give you. Plus, I got a year warranty. So, you guys already know my customer service on point. So, that's why you guys support me. I appreciate that. And starting off, I just want to give you guys an update that a lot of people are requesting to change the animation. So, you have the option for that now. So, instead of installing this whole kit again, there's already installation video. I'll be making an installation video on a CRV and also a Civic and a 2023 Honda Accord as well soon. I'm just trying to get my hands on a 2023 Accord and also get my hands on a CRV and also a 2021, 2022, 2023 Civic as well. So I'm trying my best. If you guys are in New York City and you have a Civic, CRV, or 23 Accord, let me know. I'll be happy to install it, help you guys out. But going off with this new updated product, which a lot of people were requesting, and I was like, you know what, I have to work on it. So I got a small booklet of installation manual, which is pretty cool. Then this whole thing is kind of, so it tells you all the stuff that's in there. So pretty simple, straightforward. The same way to install it on the previous video. I did an installation video of this on my Accord and another Accord, I believe, as well, for the Chasing Ambient lights. But I just want to tell you where each module is going to go in, because this is what changed. The app is going to be different, and the animation is different as well for startup animation. And you can control, I believe, the doors in the front and the rear separately, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm just going to take this piece out. And for my installation video, if you guys are not aware of it, the full installation video, I'm going to put that video link in the description of this video. All right, so make sure you guys watch it if you haven't. It's for 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. The installation video, the same diagram in the doors. All right, but if you have a Civic or a CRV or a cat pack, a scat pack, a charger or whatnot, you might have a different diagram for the doors. All right, just want to give you a heads up. But yeah, this is going to be the master controller. This is the main controller with the QR code that's going to be under the steering wheel. Basically, you got all that stuff. You got RGB, LED, accessories for the power, the key. So all these sockets, they're going to be fitting in there, so you're good to go. And then this one says slave 3, and it says the number 3 there. A left rear. It just means this is going to go the passenger in the back behind the driver. All right, so this is going to be that. And just want to let you guys know, it says left rear, so the behind the driver, left side. And this says slave 1 right front, so the front passenger on the right side. That's where that's going to go. Okay, this is labeled so the animation goes smooth into each way. You don't want it all over the place. This says slave 1 right front door, which is basically 2 of them. I did that because if you ever want to put 2 strips for the center console, so you can when the animation turns on for the dash first, it's gonna go like that, and then you want the center console to go after that with that right door going, because the animation is gonna go like around from the right and this left to this driver side. Okay, so I made 2. If you're gonna be installing 2 strips in the center console area where the cup holder is, put 1 of these as well. All right, so just put 1 there. If you're not going to, you could ignore that one, it's fine. But slave 1 right front passenger right side for the front right passenger, this is where it's going to go. The second one's going to go in the center console for the cup holder area, so the animation goes smooth with the rest of it with the door. And basically what you're going to be doing is these 2 obviously going to be spliced just like in the video. I have a main controller and a sub controller spliced with it. So this is going to be the controller, the right front, so the second one basically, the first one, they're both the same. One will go inside the door, one will go under the cup holder area. So you will splice this one for the center console area with that one, just like how I did in the videos. Then you have one here, slave 2, right rear, so the right side, but in the rear, behind the passenger. And this one is slave 4, left front. So this is the driver's side, left front. This will be my side, the driver door, right? And just wanted to give you that explanation, so I didn't want you getting confused on the two same sub controllers that I have here. These two, right front, slave 1, slave 1. One is for the center console, so, and then one is for the center console, meaning the cup holder area, not for the dash. The dash one's going to be connected to this, basically the main controller, and then one of them is going to go obviously for the door, the right side door, right front door. That's it. I just wanted to clear that part out, and yeah, that's about it. Just want to give you guys a heads up on that so you don't get confused. But feel free to email me if you have any questions, or follow me on Instagram at RedlineMazdaOfficial if you have any questions or need help with the installation. I'll FaceTime you guys and I'll help you guys out. And make sure to drop a 5-star review. I would appreciate that on any of my products. Just click on the listing and scroll down under that listing, and you will see write a review. Hit that 5-star review. You can attach pictures and write something great about it. I would appreciate that. Thank you again, and we'll be launching very new products soon, so stay tuned. And keep watching the amazing content, fam. Peace out until next time.